Here's a quick tutorial on if you have an audio recording that you want to upload to TikTok, how to put that into a video quickly and easily, and then be able to upload it in a matter of minutes. With CapCut open, don't think this is how it'll look when you first open it up, but you'll find camera, click on camera. Oh my goodness. So then it'll open up your camera. Let's click 60 seconds. You could do 3 minutes also. You're going to press record. This is me, hello. But you don't need to record anything or worry about the video part of it because it's the audio that you're wanting. You could, do a video of landscape or whatever. So say, for example, we've got the amount of time recorded that we want. Press the check button. Press record. This is me, hello. Okay. Then we'll press. Don't need to record anything or worry about. Edit. Okay. So in this screen, we're going to deal with audio. So click on audio. Click on sounds. Oh my gosh, that stylus. Click the folder. Now we're going to we're going to go to the device. We're going to select from the device. If it doesn't show up here, because I've got a few pieces of audio that are here, select from the device if it doesn't come up here. And here are some files from my device. So you would scroll through, or oops, I accidentally selected them. You can also look through your folders. You can select, here's a weather recording that I did for work, so let's just throw that one in there. Click open. And then it shows up right here, Saturday weather. That's for the midday. We're going to press this plus button.
From the 88.9 WEKU newsroom, I'm Wendy Barnett with a look at the weather forecast for Central and Eastern.
We'll press plus again. That's going to be in there.
Press record from the.
Now, it will have the audio for the video and this. You're going to highlight the video. Scroll through here because we want to, mute clip audio, that's right there. So it should mute the video, but you should still be able to hear.
From the 88.9 WEKU news.
So you've got your audio that you want, your video is muted. You will press export. Okay, no, stop. And then that is saved to your phone, and then you're able to, you could share it to TikTok from here or upload it manually. Hope that helps.